4.
It's take. Okay,
Hi everyone.
It is take 4.
I'm Jeremy from Flatware Creations. My daughter's always helping me with the camera today. I am making birdhouses. This is the first time I've made birdhouses, but I always try and find things the simplest way that I can do it and to keep everything even for OCD purposes. So what I did was I took the C-clamp, and I filed this part down flat with my file so that I could put it back in here. I actually filed it in here, and it has a flat surface for me. So I did the same thing with the tops, the roofs. I just put enough pressure on there to hold it, and then I solder it and I put it in my water. But I just want to show you how easy it is soldering wise for these birdhouses. This is 3 years and this is my first few birdhouses, and this is some of the simplest soldering I've done so far. So we're using this rosin core solder. This is the same stuff that I use for the hinged bracelets. So it has a real low melt point, but it's really strong. So here's what I do. I have my hole. I'm just gonna flush cut those pieces in there. I tend to go by how big the base is, because this has to go around the whole inside base. So I have my regular torch. I was using my micro torch, but it's just so much easier to do it this way. And what I'm going to do now, keep my flame good. I'm just going to heat up the base. I want to get that penny nice and hot, and at the same time I'm heating up the knife handle. And what I'm looking for is liquid to start coming out of the bottom, because that's the flux coming out. You do want to have a fan on or some sort of ventilation, but if you can zoom in right here real quick, Zoe, see how it's starting to turn gray? That's the solder sealing that edge. And I try and get that to go all the way around. So I've got silver there, I've got silver there. Take my spray bottle. And if you have heat on it for too long, you want to make sure you watch out for your roofs, because those will unsolder. I normally spray it down. I'll give it 5-10 seconds, and then I'm just going to take and put it in my water here. And now we have our birdhouse set up on its own now. So now we just have to put the hole in and put in my figure out how to do the top. But I just wanted to show you guys that I do the same thing. Just watch for the solder to come around the back or come around the bottom, and you know it's done. All right, thank you. Have fun.